In a few weeks I will get time and realize it's right before my eyes, and I can take it if it's what I want to do.
Hello, what I'm in, nice to meet you. Got some questions I'm wondering, can you answer? Like, how much longer I do this? How much longer I do this? Till they realize they stupid for overlooking this cool kid. They put me on at parties, jamming my song. Just play a little bit and I promise you won't go wrong. My music, they steady humming. My lyrics to their stomach. I'm still considered a youngin', but 14 hit songs ain't running. My favorite rapper from C-Dot won't freestyle if you beatbox. My flow cold and this beat hot. You watch me, but I G-shot. Tweet me, I'm V-Man from MD to G-Pan. My old friends say, G-Man, I heard you, you're decent. Say fuck that, man, I'm great. I don't even care if you hate. I know deep down that you jealous of this awesome music I make. Got that Jumpman on my sneakers, kicking through your speakers. Say I ain't the best man, you must be high on that reefer.
In a few weeks I will get time and realize it's right before my eyes, and I can take it if it's what I want to do. In a few weeks I will get time and realize it's right before my eyes, and I can take it.
All I care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'ma sip until I feel it, I'ma smoke until it's done. I don't really give a fuck, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah, fuck it, I'm on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one. Fuck it, I'm on one. But somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah. I'm on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one. Fuck it, I'm on. Fuck it, I'm on. All I care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'ma sip until I feel it, I'ma smoke it till it's done. I don't really give a fuck, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah, fuck it, I'm on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one. Fuck it, I'm on. I walk around the club, fuck everybody, and all my niggas got that heat, I feel like Pat Riley. Yeah, too much money ain't enough money. You know the feds listening. Nigga, what money? I'm a made nigga, I should dust something. You niggas on the bench, like the bus coming. Ain't nothing sweet but the switch. Some folks might as well say cheese for the bitches. All I care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'ma sip until I feel it, I'ma smoke it till it's done. I don't really give a fuck, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah, fuck it, I'm on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one. Fuck it, I'm on one. And somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah, fuck it, I'm on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one. Fuck it, I'm on one. Somebody should've told you I'm on one.